Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are going to continue our work on previous code, and this is what we already done before. We have our index page, JavaScript file, and stylesheet.css, and the result was this. This is part 5. Save, and in JavaScript file we are going to delete all this code, and we are going to enter some new code. We are going to talk about objects and about literal notation. In the object literal notation, an object description is a set of comma-separated name-value pairs inside curly braces. And now we are going to create one object with literal notation. So we are going to enter name of that object, and then we are going to create one curly braces, and inside of that we are going to enter description, and it's going to contain name and value, pair of name and value. First is going to be name of hotel, and it's going to be name. For example, it's going to be Metropolitan. Comma, and then we are going to enter, for example, rooms, and it has, for example, 45 rooms. Booked, for example, it's going to be 15. Then we are going to create room types, and value is going to be array. For example, first is going to be twin, then it's going to be double, and then suite. The last one is going to be check availability to see is there free rooms, and that is going to be like this. That is going to be one for value, it's going to be one function, but inside of object, function is not called anymore function, it's called method. It's only different, but it's still function, but it's called method. And we are going to return this rooms minus this book. And this there is still this rooms is going to be equal, and this booked is going to be 50, and it's going to be return the result of that operation inside of this parameter. Now we are going to show some values, and first we are going to show the name of hotel. Hotel name is equal to hotel.name. Hotel is a name of object, and the name is name of that what we want to show, and it's going to be Metropolitan, and that is stored in variable hotel name. Then we are going to show the total number of rooms inside of that hotel. For example, total rooms is equal to, again, name of object, and what we want to show is rooms. Then we are going to show how many rooms is booked, and we are going to create one new variable, rooms booked is equal to hotel dot booked. Then we are going to show what room types are available in that hotel metropolitan, and we are going to do that with one for loop. First, we are going to create var key is equal to 0, var num is equal to 1, then for loop, and one new variable, and it's going to be var types is equal to hotel dot room types. And now we are going to create key that is going to be start value, it's 0. Then we are going to create end value, it's going to be types dot length, and then the correction. Then we are going to document write first one break line, then we are going to show num plus, and then we are going to show the types of rooms, and it's going to be types e, and then we are going to add one on the previous value of num. Now we can reload our page, and the result is going to look like this. First type of room is twin, second is double, and third is suite. And the last thing, we are going to show how many rooms is available, and that we are going to store in variable, for example, 3 rooms is equal to hotel dot check availability. We call that function. We call that method inside of that object. Hotel is name of object, and this is method that we call. Next, we are going to show all the information that we stored inside of variables, and we are going to do that with document write. And now we are going to enter hotel name, that is string, plus value, it's going to be hotel name, this one. Then we are going to create one break line, plus we can continue in another line, and we are going to add another string, number of rooms in hotel, and then we show total rooms, another break line, another line. Then we can show booked rooms, rooms booked, for example, and we show variable values from variable rooms booked, plus another break line plus, and we can show rooms available for you plus, and we show 3 rooms. One more thing, we can show here text, for example room types in hotel. And break line. Now we can reload our page and the result is this, but we are going to create some corrections. This break line we are going to delete, and second thing, we are going to add break line here. Now we can reload our page again, and maybe it's going to be nicer if we enter some horizontal rulers, for example here, and then it's going to be nicer if we enter some horizontal ruler here, and we can copy this and we enter here and here, then reload page again, and the result room types in hotel, and it's shown, then hotel name, then number of rooms in hotel, that rooms that are booked, and rooms available for you. 45 minus 15, it's this result. It's all about literal notation and this object. Next time we are going to talk about constructor notation. We are going to create the same object but with constructor notation. Thank you for watching. If you have any kind of questions, please submit your questions, and see you next time. Goodbye.